You're watching Explorer Vacations. We were invited on board Virgin Voyages' brand new Brilliant Lady for an exclusive preview just before her inaugural voyage from Los Angeles. Join us as we tour Suite 15339Z, part of the ultra-luxurious Mega Rockstar quarters, also known as the Massive Suite. This space immediately sets the tone for something extraordinary. From the moment you walk in, you're surrounded by bold design, sleek finishes, and that signature Virgin vibe that feels more like a high-end penthouse than a cruise stateroom. The suite opens into a spacious living area, perfect for relaxing or entertaining, while the bedroom offers a plush, ultra-comfortable bed positioned for incredible ocean views. Step outside, and the private terrace becomes your personal escape at sea, ideal for morning coffee or sunset cocktails with uninterrupted views. The bathroom brings a spa-like experience, featuring a large rain shower and premium finishes that elevate every detail. As part of the Mega Rockstar quarters, the Massive Suite comes with exclusive perks and elevated service that truly redefine luxury at sea. Suite 15339Z on Brilliant Lady. This is how you sail like a rock star. And now we're going to stop talking and start watching.
Or just a room? Oh, two for me, one for them in there. There's another closet in the game room.
This is the massive suite. Massive.
The massive? This is the massive one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see how massive it is.
Well, that's pretty. So
Okay, this is the massive.
So I have to put them together, like, so I will get people in them. Oh, man.
This is for you and 10 of your closest friends.
That bathroom is like
Right?
a mansion.
Pretty amazing, that's.
This is what I'm asking. Yeah. She said this is nice.
This is crazy.
Wait, how do you get out of here?
Yeah, that was exactly the same. There is one category.
Thank you for exploring with Explorer Vacations. For travel ideas about cruising and beyond, please visit our website, ExplorerVacations.com, to see all of the exciting vacation options we have for you.